Meaning of feeding of the 5,000.
Feeding of the 5,000.
Feeding of the 5,000.
Feeding of the 5,000.
Feeding of the 5,000. Feeding of the 5,000 is a miracle story found in all four Gospels of the New Testament. According to the narratives, Jesus fed a crowd of 5,000 men, not counting women and children, with only 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. After everyone had eaten their fill, there were still 12 baskets of bread left over. This miraculous event demonstrated Jesus' divine power and compassion for the people's physical needs. The feeding of the 5,000 remains one of Jesus' most well-known miracles and continues to be celebrated by Christians worldwide.